Terrie Young in the Yucca Fish Retail Market Kitchen. It's summertime and I'm so excited, and I wanted to show you some mixed skewers that we are offering and some stuffed trout. Maybe you're having a pool party. Bring these along, pop them on the grill, and you're ready to go. I wanted to show you today how to sear some scallops. Scallops are on special, always beautiful, always dry. We're gonna dip the scallop in a little bit of blackening seasoning, real easy, and then as we're doing that, we're gonna add just a little bit of butter to our pan. You can put these on the grill, but to get that nice sear like you see here, you really need to do it in a pan. Once that pan's nice and hot, hear the sizzle, we're ready to go. This is a nice blackening seasoning that we sell in the store. And once they get going, it's about 3 minutes on each side, and they're beautiful. I served them along with some scampies in the tray right here. I hope to see you in the market. Have a nice day.